Napster View, what everyone needs to know about the holographic AI device changing the game. Napster, the company that forever changed how we listen to music, is doing it again, this time redefining how we work, create, and collaborate with AI. Napster 26 and Napster View bring AI out of chat windows and into reality. What is Napster 26 and Napster View? Napster 26, an AI platform for Mac, introduces holographic AI collaborators. Central to this is Napster View, which transforms AI into a three-dimensional presence. Instead of traditional text prompts, users engage directly with AI colleagues who see their screen, understand goals, and offer real-time assistance. Napster touts this as the end of the chatbot era. Key features of Napster View. Napster View redefines personal computing with a holographic second screen that hovers above your Mac, enabling seamless AI interaction without a headset. It supports 3D holographic video calls, where users can meet others or their own digital twins in real time. Through natural, voice-driven conversations, Napster's AI learns and adapts. Users can even create hyper-real digital twins powered by their LinkedIn profiles to collaborate, teach, or attend meetings autonomously. Why Napster View matters. The launch marks Napster's evolution from music pioneer to AI infrastructure company. In the early 2000s, Napster democratized access to music. Now, in 2025, it's democratizing access to expertise, removing barriers of geography, cost, and connections. As CEO John Akunto explains, the creative economy has been locked behind barriers of access, expertise, and cost. Napster is 26 years down those walls, instead serving as the infrastructure for a new era of human creativity. Your collaborators are available 24/7, when AI becomes your creative partner, not just your tool. Availability and pricing. The Napster View is a $99 AI device that includes 1 free month of Napster 26 access. Compatible with Mac, PC support coming in 2026. It offers monthly or annual plans after a trial. Available now at napster.ai/apps.
Go to GearBrain for more information.